Hey guys, Javin here. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about why face shape matters when choosing a hairstyle. Stay tuned. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. If you like what you see, be sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on post notifications to never miss a brand new video again. Before deciding on a hairstyle, you first need to take a look at your face shape. Some people's faces are long, some are oval, some are more square, some are circle. There are many different face shapes out there and one is not necessarily better than the other. It just means that you have to cater your hairstyle to your face shape if you want it to look somewhat natural. Just to be clear, I'm not saying that anyone cannot rock any hairstyle. I'm just saying that certain hairstyles might suit a certain face shape better than the others. So how do you determine face shape? First, grab your mirror. Take a look at yourself clearly. Just by taking a look at yourself in the mirror, you can kind of tell what your face shape is. Just imagine any kind of shape, right? And for me, mine's a little bit more oval, kind of like an egg. I'm just guessing that my face shape is oval. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments what face shape do you think I am. There are also other face shapes which I will briefly discuss in this video. The first one is the heart shape. If your chin is pointed and your forehead is the widest part of your face, you have a heart-shaped face. The next face shape is the square face. With a square face, the sides of your face is perfectly straight, and then as it goes towards your chin, it's slightly angled. And just reading off Google here, your face is nearly as wide as it is long. In other words, if you were to measure from the edge of your temple to the top of where your jawline starts, you would find that it would be approximately the same as the distance from your left jaw to the right jaw. You will also have sharp, angular features, including a sharp jawline. The next face shape we have is the round face shape. A round face shape is similar to a square face shape, other than the fact that the angles are softer. The sides of your face curve slightly outwards instead of being straight. Your chin is rounded and your cheekbones are the widest part of your face. So if your cheekbones are puffing up kind of like a hamster, you probably have a round face shape. Next up, we have the diamond face shape. In this face shape, your chin is pointed and your cheekbones are high. Reading off Google again, in my trusty laptop, if someone drew lines connecting the center of your hairline to your cheekbones and down to your chin, it will create a diamond shape, hence the name. Moving on to the oval face shape. If you have an oval face shape, your forehead is only a tiny bit wider than your curved chin. Picture an egg upside down. That's an oval face shape. Finally, the last face shape on my list is the rectangular face shape. This face shape is similar to a square face shape, except for the fact that it's more longer than wide. With a rectangular face shape, your forehead, cheeks, and jawline are approximately the same width, and your chin has a very slight curve. So at the end of the day, everyone's face shape is different, and your goal here is to find the best hairstyle for your face shape. There are also a few rules for face shape that I'll be reading off the internet. The first one, the heart-shaped face. Try to draw attention to your eyes and cheekbones with bangs or volumes along the sides. Long face shape. The longer your hair, the longer it will make your face look. If you have long face, you don't want long hair. You want short hair. And the shorter hairstyle you have, it's often best to go with something that has plenty of volume. Bangs are great as well. If you have an oval face shape, almost every hairstyle will look good on you. So my advice to you is to find a hairstyle that suits your hair texture. For example, Asian guys, your hair will stick out when it grows long. That's why you can see me here rocking the two-bob hairstyle with it combing back. When your hair is long enough, it falls down so it does not stick out. And when your hair is longer, you have more options like swooping to the sides or putting it up like a mohawk. Plenty of options. For those of you who have a round face, some of the better options include haircuts that are below your chin. With curly or wavy hair people, going too short may add more width to the chin area. So you really want to go after short hairstyles that add volume to the top of your head. So in this way, it will give the perception that your head is a bit more long. For those of you with a square face, you want to play off your strong angular jaw. So for you guys, find a hairstyle that fits your jawline. At the end of the day, these are all just guidelines. You don't really have to follow this because these are not rules, right? It's just, information on the internet. Do what makes you feel best, and if you like a certain hairstyle, just go for it. Try it out and see. If you don't like it, it's hair, you can shave it off, you can grow it out. Hair will always grow back, so yeah, just don't damage it too much by doing blow dryer all the time or scrubbing it really rough. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. If you like it, let me know what your favorite hairstyle is in the comment section below. As for myself, my favorite hairstyle for many years now has been the two-blow haircut. It's just really versatile that you can put it up, you can put it down. I really like it. Till next time, this is Javian Fong signing off. For the thumbnail of this video, I'm gonna be looking in this mirror and act all happy.